Liability has not been determined in this case. It is the investigation itself is at very stage.
Pass over, my lord. I think SPP.
The investigation is very nascent stage. There is a lion of a child at home unattended.
Pass over.
Please.
Not FIR. Under section 192 not capital A of the Karnataka Land Revenue Act. Not contrary to the order passed by this honorable court in the PIL, not at page number 17.
Contrary to the order?
Not your lordship will find, not at page number 17. Not a public interest litigation was filed. Not alleging not certain encroachment by certain persons.
Encroachment by whom?
Not by me. Not page number 18, your lordship will find. But I have been made as a party respondent number 5. Not during pendency of this writ petition, not the Tahsildar. Not may I just, I'm sorry, I could not produce this while filing the writ petition. Tahsildar, not the the assistant commissioner would submit a report not regarding encroachment. My lord will find what the report submitted before the honorable division. Typed copy my lord is at ink page number 5 onwards.
Where is the complaint?
Not the present complaint, my lord will find at ink page number not 46 onwards. 49 also, but even in this complaint also, but there is no allegation against me except naming me. My lord will find relevant, my lord, at ink page number 51. 51, or para 2. What is the name of the persons who are said to have allegedly encroached? Where my name is not there. Your
Art of living.
Please, madam.
Art of living.
How though? No, his name is not there in page 51. Your lordship will find survey number so and so Sumeru reality. BMTF. Then not so and so
encroachment.
Encroachment and health. Bhanumati, Raghu and Sumeru reality. Allegation is against them. But I don't own any land there. Not in the vicinity also. But Ashram allegation illa. But this is not a certain other property, adjoining property owned by not a company. But I am neither a director nor anybody in
whose company is that?
But I am not a director, not a promoter, anybody. Allegation, your lordship will find page 51. Para 2. Survey number so and so Sumeru Reality Private Limited ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಗುಂಟೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ವಸತಿ ಸಮುಚ್ಚಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
No, there are several orders passed by the coordinate benches of
That's exactly what I was bringing to your lordship's kind notice, but ink page number 5 of the memo may kindly be seen.
Memo?
ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ but ink page number 5 not this honorable court was pleased to accept not this report of the Tahsildar. But there are 3 names.
This is Nataraj's order.
But this is by the honorable division bench.
Division bench ಆಯ್ತು.
In the PI.
Rangaswamy order ಇದೆ ಒಂದು. Confirming encroachment.
Either ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is nothing not as against the petitioner.
Where is that order?
That order not is not within me.
Could you give that order? Yes, sir.
Take your records, my lord.
Give the records.
September registration FIR.
September ಲಾಗಿರೋದಾ?
One more not, I don't know. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ನನಗಲ್ಲ.
September ಲಾಗಿ
page 53. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ page 53 your lordship will find not. Police notice is dated 18/12. In this also notice not your lordship kindly have a look at not ink page number 54.
Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ?
ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ kindly have a look at page 54 not in this notice. But serial number 1 to 4.
Is Sri ravishankar is the only person?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಾ ಈಗ?
ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. This is the only person not against whom there is no allegation.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Notice not is given to one Raghu. Not in that notice page 53.
ಇವರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Why are you before the court?
But your lordship will find not my name is shown as accused number 1.
Where is the?
Not FIR your lordship will find. Not page number 46. A1. Not column number 6.
You have encroached public land ರಾಜಕಾಲುವೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ allegation. That's what I bring to your lordship. Allegations in the complaint. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
No, Justice Nataraj order ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ security your lordship. Then your lordship will also not one more submission. But page 53.
ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
But page 53 is the police notice given not on 18/12.
Page 53.
53. Not to be not by to the other accused. In this case also not their case is at page 54. Page 54 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
police notice.
Police notice. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ encroachment serial number 1 by Sumeru Reality. Serial number 2 by Bhanumati.
ಯಾವ reality?
Serial Sumeru Reality Private Limited.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then my lord, so serial number 2 Bhanumati. Serial number 3 Raghu. Serial number 4 Uttam Chand.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೋ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಾರ ಅವರು ಆರೋಪಿತ ಒತ್ತುವರಿದಾರರ ವಿವರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ.
ವಿವರ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ ಒತ್ತುವರಿದಾರರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ.
No, I have been named as an FIR, not first accused in the FIR. Your Lordship will find on page 46.
Named on 19/9/2025.
And for the first time,
6 months ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
but I was not aware that this we came to know only on 18/12 when this notice was served, not on the co-accused.
Where?
Page 53, when I brought your Lordship paid notice.
This was served when? 18/12/2012.
Not till then. Not they reached their FIR and keep quiet. And then they and in this
Point 8 ಗುಂಟೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ರೋಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್, 2 ಗುಂಟೆ, 3 ಗುಂಟೆ, 35 ಗುಂಟೆ.
That is not by Uttam Chand Bhandari, not by me.
Who is Uttam Chand Bhandari now?
But he is not an independent person, owner of
Independent
164
person.
bar. How though? But 164 bar 2 not belongs to him.
Let's see the records.
I'll take your record.
Get the records.
Yes.
Not one more submission. On the same issue, not a land grabbing case also not was initiated, page 28. Where not I am not even named, except not accused number 2 to 5. Page 28, my lord will find.
No, it's not that the big and mighty are before the court.
No, I am not saying that. Not there. My only submission is you're looking into my lord the allegations in the complaint.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
Please, my lord.
ಉತ್ತಮ್ ಅವರು 2 ಗುಂಟೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಹಳದಿ ಬಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ರಾಜಕಾಲುವೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು 1 ಎಕರೆ 5 ಗುಂಟೆ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣವಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ಅಳತೆ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I do not own any of these lands. I am not in possession of any. In fact, not page number 7 of the memo that I brought your lordship paid notice. The very BMTF not had filed a report earlier. Not page number 7 memo, not page 7 of the memo that I brought your lordship paid notice. Adralli, not this is dated 23/1/2020.
23/1/2020.
Not the relevant not at page number 8. Not para 2 your lordship will find me. ಈ ದೂರು ಅರ್ಜಿಯ ವಿಚಾರಣೆಯ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌದಾಮಿನಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಎಂಬುವರು ಹಾಜರುಪಡಿಸಿ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ತಾಲೂಕು ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಕಗಲಿಪುರ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಡವನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಭೀಕರಾಬು ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಯೋಜನಾ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾವತಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶುಲ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾವತಿಸಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ವಿಲೇಜಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಖರಾಬ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ರೋಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್, ದಿ BMTF, this report by the BMTF, police inspector BMTF, that not is closed 2020. And what is reported not
the records.
I'll get the record. It looks like this is Rajakalve Vattuvari.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. let my London friends know there is any my name. I own any land, adjoining land.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ?
FIR not unless unnecessarily I am named as a first accused in an FIR. Not only my only submission for extraneous considerations.
Extraneous.
Not there is not by the persons, not persons. Not
BMTF is
not
a
persons, not I persons in the PIL. Not they are harassing me. Petitioners in the PIL. That's what I want.
When petitioners in the PIL.
Your lordship will find not in page number 17. But this was a PIL filed with this very same allegations. Where the division bench would get a report not of the Tahsildar, which I brought your lordship paid notice. In the report, there is no allegation that I have not in any way encroached any property, nor that I own any property. But I am unnecessarily named.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
Come to page 21.
Please.
In view of the government stance that in fact there has been encroachment on public lands.
How?
Public lands. We consider it apposite to dispose the present petition by directing respondent number 1 to 3 to take such action against the encroachers as is warranted, albeit in accordance with law, as expeditiously as possible.
Page number 5 of the memo is the list of the encroachers.
If I now interfere without looking into the records, it will be running counter to paragraph.
No, I have given the what is not submitted to the honorable division bench in page number 5 of the memo.
Whatever it is. But the finding of the division bench is that action should be taken.
The encroachers are, as per the order of this division bench, Sumeru Reality, Bhanumati and Raghu.
Yeah, but see, the division bench does not name the encroachers.
Not your lordship will find, not your lordship kindly I will cut not para 2. Para page 20, para 2. learned government advocate
Let the-
appearing,
let the records
I'm sorry, learned government advocate, para 2, page 20.
Right.
Appearing for respondent has filed a memo enclosing with a memo map which support the petitioner's contention that certain unauthorized construction have been raised by so and so. This is the memo which was filed by the government advocate, which I have produced along with the memo on today. This is the memo that was filed by the government advocate before the honorable division bench in the PL, which names only 3 persons, not me. But I have absolutely no objection for them to take
Notice
action.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
But let them not take any precipitative action against
At the very next line of the para 2, the map indicates
No,
that the certain
Prasanna Kumar sir.
Yes.
If I now interfere, I will be tinkering with the order passed by the division
that's
bench
why, but
unless I see the records.
But I have produced not for your lordship kind consideration.
Who ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ records? ನಿಮ್ records ಅಲ್ಲ. Let them produce the records.
Till then, let them not precipitate as against me.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಈಗ? ನೋಟಿಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ I'm not naming me in the PIL, naming me in the FIR.
PIL ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿದೆಯಾ?
PIL ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. In the PIL may not, in the report may
PIL
not.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದಿದೆ, respondent number 5.
Yes. PIL ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ PIL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ. PIL ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
But
ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
PIL ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. Report was called for. In the report my name is not there.
It's a different thing.
Please,
We will get the records.
please.
Heard the learned counsel P. Prasanna Kumar appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner, Shri Ravishankar, hyphen Art of Living Ashram,
He is resident of Lord
resident of Art of Living.
Panchagiri Ashram.
All right, so and so ashram, is now at the doors of this court, calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 201 of 2025 by the Bangalore Metropolitan Task Force Police, alleging offences punishable under section 192A of the Karnataka Land Revenue Act 1964. A backdrop of the registration of the crime is an order passed by the division bench. The division bench, in a public interest petition, where it was alleged that the respondents therein had encroached the public lands to some extent and even constructed property on the Rajakalaway, had directed action to be taken by the following order, page 20 and 21. The division bench clearly directs that in view of the government's stance that in fact there has been encroachment of public lands, we consider it apposite to dispose the present petition by directing action to be taken against encroachers as is warranted, albeit in accordance with law. The present petitioner was respondent number
5.
Respondent number 5 in the said case, along with the other persons who have now been arraigned as accused in the aforesaid crime. The learned counsel P. Prasanna Kumar submits that the petitioner has nothing to do with the activities of the other accused. He neither owns any property nor has encroached any land, and therefore the proceedings or investigation must be stayed against the petitioner.
One more, sir. I'm sorry.
Huh?
This order of the division bench is based on the report, not which I.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ the learned counsel would further emphasize that the order of the division bench was based upon a report of the government which was placed along with a memo and the map appended to it. The division bench further observes that the map indicates that certain constructions have been raised in survey number 164/2, 163/3 and 161/7 of Kagalipura village, Uttaralli Hobli. Additionally, a large part of survey number 150, which is indicated to be a tank, has also been encroached. In view of that, the direction was issued. Now, to stall any kind of investigation would be running counter to what the division bench observes and permitted the appropriate authorities to act against the encroachers. Therefore, without looking into the records, it would not be appropriate for any order, a protective order to be passed at this juncture. Petitioner is at liberty to move in the event any notice of investigation is issued upon the petition.
One submission, no, this report do not contain my name that I have encroached anything, nor that I own anything.
Division bench memo
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿ. That's what I have produced the copy of the
I will correct that authorize.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
sentence
memo do not name.
The learned counsel would further submit that the memo does not name the petitioner, as the petitioner is in no way concerned with the encroachments of done by other persons.
Allegedly.
Other persons. Alleged encroachment by other persons who were parties in the public interest petitions. Yes.
Please.
Monday?
Please.
Monday, Tuesday,
Leave it for Monday.
Monday in the fresh matters list.
Please.
Yes.
No, may I request on Tuesday, not Monday.
Tuesday.
No, I'm sorry. Monday on this.
Monday. Monday, Tuesday difference 1 day. Yes. The learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Accept notice for the respondent, secure the entire records and place it before the court on the next
Yes.
day.
Under the guise of issuing notice, let them not precipitate anything.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ.
ಅದೇ that's all let in
19th
9 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
9 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 18-12 ಗೆ they issue notice not to one of the not ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ತೊಂದರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ FIR ಅಂತೂ ಹೆಸರಂತೂ ಇದೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ.
but let them not take coercive action.
They will not move the matter. ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Please. Please.
39.